Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Berger Paints. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and I've shared the Telegram channel link. You can join the group as well for further updates. Now let's move to weekly chart first. Let us go and draw a trend line and see what is happening with the trend first. Okay, now let me draw a trend line here. Guys, on weekly chart you can see here today's candle has reversed from this point, which was very important and critical point for the downside move. Prices have held here, and from this level itself it has given a reversal. Now I'll also show you daily chart. You can see here I've drawn the trend line. This is a trend line what I'm talking about. Now if you see here, today there was a very good bullish candle. So what exactly it means? The good chances prices can move up towards this 50 moving average, which can act as the first resistance. So let's mark this 50 moving average as well. This will be a point which will act as a very strong resistance level, that is 752. In case price tomorrow breaks above today's high, that is somewhere around 722, I suppose it's around 723. In case price moves above 723, then there are good chances prices will head towards 752. Now let me draw a channel as well. This is the parallel channel what I am drawing. Okay, now you can see here what has happened. Though prices have not hit the lower level, we have seen a reversal just from the trend line itself. So you can go ahead with a target of 752. This is the maximum target what I see, and on the above that we can see 768 levels to come in. Anywhere between 760 and 768 you can keep the target. Once it breaks above this, then we can expect prices move again on the upside direction. This is a simple analysis what I have. Let me mark the resistance level as well here. These will be the targets what I will be considering. 752, and above 752 it will be 767 and then 792, and then max on the upside I am seeing at somewhere around 822, provided it moves above this channel resistance, and channel resistance is coming somewhere around 767. These are the important points what I will be looking at. So initially, in case tomorrow it trades above this high, it sustains above today's high, then I will see for a target of 752 at least. But as prices start moving up, I will be trailing my stops to avoid any unnecessary move on the downside. So once it closes above this channel resistance, then yes, I can expect 792 and 822. These will be the targets on the upside. Any break above 822, we can see prices move to 850 and 900 as well. Right, this is the simple analysis what I have on Berger Paints. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comments, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's see how it moves in the coming week. Guys, there's one more thing I want to tell you. In case it doesn't break this high, in case price doesn't break today's high, there are good chances again prices can retrace back, hit this trend line, and this trend line will be very important point to understand, because any close below this it will start moving on the downside. Any reversal again from this side, prices will again start heading up. Even at this point I'll be considering the same levels for the targets. Right, once it breaks above the channel, that will be very important for an upward move towards 792 and 822. In the next video, I'll again analyze a new stock. You can have a look at that. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you enjoy watching the videos, please give a like. Any doubts, you can drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.